How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how you guys can fix the error when installing applications on the Google Play Store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So I'm pretty sure that some of you have come across the issue where you visit the Play Store on your Android device and you try to install an application like maybe Messenger or ExpressVPN or whatnot, and it simply isn't installing. Now, I myself have had this problem in the past, and it usually has to do with storage issues. Now, obviously, there are a couple of culprits at play here, but the most common one is storage issues. Now, if you guys didn't know, even if you have some space uh, on your storage left available, like let's say you have 500 megabytes left on your phone, so this would mean that you'd still have some room to install some applications, right? Well, wrong. See, the thing about Android OS is the actual sweet spot for being able to install applications is a little over one gigabyte. Specifically, in my case, 615 Mbps. Well, not Mbps, I should say MB. So if you have 615 left, then you should have no issue installing applications. But after that, you wouldn't be able to do so anymore. So all this to say that you guys should be double checking your storage to make sure that there's still some space left available to install applications. Now, with that out of the way, let's talk about the other ways or other potential causes for not being able to install apps. So, number one is your network connection. So, you want to make sure that you guys have a strong signal on your phones. So, preferably 3 or 4 bars or higher, if possible, as anything lower than that will cause some data fluctuations, preventing you from installing the application. So make sure that you're next to your router when you're installing applications on the Google Play Store. Okay, now with that out of the way, let's talk about the other methods. Another thing that you guys can try is update your Android OS. Now, this one is not super obvious from the get-go, but doing a quick system update may actually help with installing some applications. And the reason for this is because system updates come with prerequisite files that are needed to actually run the applications that you're trying to install. So that's another thing that you guys can try. And the last one is simply restarting your device. This one I recommend as this gets rid of any potential factors that may be causing the problem, and doing a simple quick restart may actually help you reinstalling the app. So there you guys have it. Hopefully this guide worked out for you guys, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.